So I'm Clive Heal. I lead the Roche Genentech Innovation Center of Excellence, ICE, at South San Francisco. I think what we're seeing now is the need to go beyond cost savings. Obviously, cost savings is an important goal for us, will continue to be, will always be maybe for procurement. But in terms of the value that we can really bring to the business, we have to go beyond cost savings. So innovation and collaboration is a route to get access to more value, bring more value into our business. That's both innovation internally, in the way that we work, in the way that procurement works, in the way that we work in the business, and also externally in terms of the processes, products and services, in terms of how we work with suppliers and the products and services that we actually get from those suppliers as well. So tapping into that and accessing innovation through the collaboration with suppliers is going to become more and more important to us as a way of bringing value to our business. Yeah, so we actually are just putting in metrics to measure value beyond cost savings now. We actually look at value in 6 different ways. The first one is cost savings, traditional. The second one is headcount efficiencies. Are we contributing to headcount efficiencies? The third one is speed time. So are we reducing the time or speed of a particular process? The fourth one is risk reduction. Are we reducing the risk to the business? The fifth one is revenue growth. Are we contributing to revenue growth? And then the last one is patient benefit. So is there a benefit to our patients? Obviously the recipients of our products. Is there a benefit to our patients? So we basically now have metrics that look at those 6 different criteria and putting in a process to record those across procurement. That's a really good question. I think it depends on whether you're talking about the people physically running the innovation program, so people in my group, or the skills, the innovation skills of people actually in procurement and category managers and supplier managers. If we talk about the latter in terms of what sort of skills are required to drive collaboration and innovation, obviously there's a mindset change. First of all, it's not just about driving competition in suppliers, it's actually how can you create the trust and the commercial intimacy to build a relationship with suppliers, a collaborative relationship that enables you to help get access to the innovation. We have also seen that people need to be open to ideas. They need to be analytical in terms of being able to evaluate different ideas. They need to be almost like hunters, going out and seeking innovation from the supply base. How do you find the innovation? How do you spot new potential innovative ideas and bring those back into the organization? There's also the analytical part of being able to look at a range of ideas and say, okay, we got 150 ideas, but which ideas should we be taking forward? How do we develop a business case for that really enables the business buy-in to the innovative ideas that are developed? We very much see innovation as a social process. So how do you work with people in the business to help get them on board, to understand what their business needs are, to help develop the business case, to help get it sold, and to help get it implemented as well. So quite a range of skills in terms of both the collaboration part, the innovation part, the finding the solution, the developing the business case, and then driving the implementation. So it does require, I think, a mindset change. We see it very much as sort of a 4-step process in terms of awareness of the importance of innovation and how do you do that, right? So how do you make people appreciate that, hey, we have to drive innovation? Then there's the capability part. So how do you build, what capability within procurement people? What are the processes and tools that they can use? How do you support them? Then there's the utilization. So how do we ensure that people are utilizing the skills that they've got, the processes and tools? And then finally, the value, right? Because that's it. Ultimately, innovation is not just creativity coming up with ideas. Innovation is, in my definition, something new that creates value, right? So, okay, so how do you make sure that we actually get the value that we were after in the first place?